Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today, I will be discussing about GK and GS one-liner questions for the competitive examinations of SSC and Defence Forces examinations. This is part 19. I had already discussed up to part 18. Please have a look in my playlist. You will find all the parts in a sequence manner. So, let us see initially what it has been given in the maiden slide. The institution of Varna appeared in the Rigvedic period. We knew that there are various Vedic period. In Rigvedic period, this Varna system of institution we can see in this period. The measured value of 1 degree of longitude is with the distance of 111 kilometers in length at the equator. If you measure during the place that is near to the poles, that is little lesser, but in the case of equator it is near about 111 kilometers. There is a great difference of 1 degree longitude. So this difference you will find in the maximum in the equator, that is 111 kilometers, minimum in the poles. The military operation, as you can see to the right side, how exactly Somalia and Operation Restore Hope. This is one thing you have to remember. What are the military operation? Restore Hope was launched in which place? That was launched in Somalia. The island of Bombay was given to the English Prince Charles as dowry by the Portuguese. Remember guys, whatever the island that is of Bombay, it has been gifted as a dowry to the English Prince Charles. That is given by whom? That was given by the Portuguese. The Mopla movement took place in Kerala. As you can see, in Kerala, the Mopla movement has taken place. The great musician in the court of Akbar, that is Tansen. Please remember guys, Tansen was the great musician during the time of Akbar. Now you comment me in this section, who has been called as the parrot of India. I want you guys to comment me on this section. The dynasty that succeeded the Chalukyas in Western India was that of the Rashtrakutas. So please remember, the dynasty that succeeded the Chalukyas in Western India was that of the Rashtrakutas. Adams Bridge, as you can see, that connects between Dhanushkodi, that is Rameshwaram, and Talaimannar. This is one thing you have to remember. So whatever the Adams Bridge, which is between the Tamil Nadu and Sri Lanka, you will find this Dhanushkodi as well as Talaimannar. Between these two, there is a Adams Bridge, that is also known as Rajiv Gandhi Setu, also present over there. I request you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends. Near about 800 plus question papers have been given in a segregated manner. It has been compiled, which is very easy for you to refer each and every question paper or any subject wise content. Now we have the malts, contaminated cereals and grain products are not fit for consumption of, that is the presence of mycotoxin in them. That is the reason the malts, whatever the contaminated cereals and grain products are not fit for consumption, because it has got the mycotoxin in them, which is not at all edible for consumption. Breeding and management of bees is known as apiculture. The bees farming is this one. If we start farming of birds, that is aviculture, but in the case of bees, it is apiculture. DDT, what exactly the abbreviation of DDT? You have to mention in this comment section what is DDT. It is dioxy-dichloro trimethane, that is it's an insecticide. You have to remember what exactly DDT stands for. That is an insecticide which are used as a fertilizers. Dioxy-dichloro triethyl, that is one thing you have to remember. Now we have islets of Langerhans, which are present in which place? They are present in pancreas. You can see how exactly pancreas and the kidney location looks like. In these we have the islets of Langerhans. So we will find the insulin is produced by what? That is pancreas produces insulin. Now we have the overcrowding and defective ventilation causes airborne diseases. You remember one thing, what is the main reason of the airborne diseases? That is maximum or overcrowding as well as defective ventilation. This is one thing, you will have the airborne diseases. Anti-rabies vaccine was discovered by whom? We knew that the rabies is occurred because of the dog bite. Whatever the rabies disease, that is due to the dog bite occurs. This anti-rabies vaccine was discovered by whom? That was discovered by Louis Pasteur. He also identified pasteurization process, that is conversion of milk into the curd. The energy stored in the liver and muscles in the form of, normally we find the energy in the liver and the muscle in the form of glycogen. The silent killer, as you can see, the blood pressure, we knew that this is also known as silent killer in our life. High blood pressure or hypertension is known as the silent killer. It is a condition that occurs without symptoms for many years, and in most cases the cause is unknown. So this is one thing. BP is one of the silent killer. Pregnant women usually become deficient in, whenever they have the pregnancy stage, during that time calcium and iron both are, as you can see, the pregnant women have got, they are much deficient in this calcium as well as iron. A chromosome is called holokinetic when it lacks any kinetochore structure. You can see how exactly kinetochore structure looks like. So here, when there is a lack in that kinetochore structure, then that chromosome is known as holokinetic. Next we have the protein in food is digested in living tissues in various stages. An enzyme which helps in the digestion of the protein is, that is trypsin. Please remember, whatever the ptyalin which is in saliva, which helps in the digestion of the starch, which has got pepsin and renin. But here what we have to remember is, the protein in food is digested in living tissues in various stages. An enzyme which helps in the digestion of the protein is known as, that is trypsin, which helps in the digestion of the protein. The study of the interaction of antigens and antibodies is known as serology. So this serology means the interaction of antigens and antibodies study is known as serology. The pacemaker is also known as what? SA node. You comment me in this section what exactly the abbreviation of SA node. As you can see, this pacemaker which is fitted in the heart of the wall, so walls of the heart, this is also known as shunt. Next we have, the following is a pinworm. Oxyuris is one type of pinworm. Ribosomes in a cell play a significant role in protein synthesis. Please remember guys, whatever the ribosome in a cell which play a significant role in protein synthesis. The one which is used as a sedative, that is potassium synthesis. So this can be, this ribosome in a cell play a significant role, that is protein synthesis. The one which is used as a sedative, that is potassium bromide, that is KBr, which is used as a sedative, that can be used as a sedative. The sugar contained in honey is, that sugar is known as fructose. So whatever the sugar contained in honey, that is fructose. The solvent used for the dry cleaning of clothes, carbon tetrachloride. This is one thing you have to remember, which is used in the dry cleaning, that is carbon tetrachloride. You can see how exactly tetrachloroethane as well as ammonium quaternary compounds, these are all which helps in the all cleaning of the clothes. The chemical composition of marble is mostly what? That is calcium carbonate, which is the chemical composition of marble. The hardness of bone tissue is due to the phosphates and carbonates of calcium as well as sodium. So this is one thing you have to remember. The hardness of the bone tissue is due to the phosphates or carbonates of calcium as well as sodium. The most effective carrier of information is, we knew that microwave is the one which is the most effective carrier of information. Now we have the final one. The sun rays falling on the thin film of oil spreading over a water surface breaks into different colors. This is due to interference. This is one thing you have to remember. Whatever the color depends upon the interference of the light. The liquid drop takes a spherical shape because of what? That is because of the surface tension. That is the reason from the clouds whatever the drops directly splits into the small droplets that will be in the form of circle. At the top of the trajectory of a projectile, the directions of its velocity and acceleration are perpendicular to each other. This is one thing important. At the top of the trajectory of a projectile, the direction of its velocity and acceleration, they always be in perpendicular direction. The human heart is one type of myogenic. As you can see to the right, how myogenic heart and their pacemakers. This is one thing. The human heart is myogenic. In some invertebrates, all vertebrates, the heart is myogenic. In them, the setting of the rhythm pacemaking is by specialized cells called pacemakers. These cells are highly specialized for generating and conducting the impulse. In some animals, they can be distinguished histologically from the other heart muscles, whereas in some other, the distinction is not clear. So next we have the pancreas is both exocrine as well as endocrine. The secretion of the pancreas is what? That is insulin is secreted by the pancreas. These are a few questions I had compiled, guys. These are the various questions from the previous papers. If you want 2100 PDF of GK and GS, you can call me on this mobile number 766730 So I hope I am doing my best. I want you guys to go through each and every topic. That will be very useful for all competitive examinations. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life, guys.